guess what we forgot? Guess what we forgot in the new sewing room? We forgot heat. It's freezing in here. We live in Maine and it is cold. I guess I got plenty of undone quilts up here to keep me warm. So thank goodness for unfinished projects. Am I right? I have this little tiny space heater and it's warming up over there and it's like this big in this big room. Hi there, I'm April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. I'm still gonna do this video while it's warming up, so I'm gonna be all bundled up here. The show must go on, right? Boy, I got all kinds of them today. I just came up, I just wanna give you guys this haul that I went on. I went on a Goodwill haul and I wanna show you everything that I got. Okay, I can take one layer off. That little tiny space heater, it is heating up, but it is a little chilly in here. The other day, I had a friend come up, and it was cold that day too, but it wasn't nearly this cold. And my heat should be coming in soon. So I'll just keep on running the space heaters. And you know, once you get sewing, you get warmed right up. So first I was complaining of being too hot, now I'm too cold. Probably in another 10 minutes, it'll be nice and warm. Okay, let's get started. So let's see how fast I can talk. I want to tell you a little story while I wait for it to warm up. So the other day, me and my daughter go to my sister's house. It's about an hour away. My sister's recovering from a broken back. When we get there, she's ready to go somewhere. She wants to go to Goodwill. Take her to Goodwill. She's got her little contraption she's pushing around, and we just start shopping. Well, I just kept picking one thing up after another, and I just couldn't even believe the stuff I was finding. Talk about feeling like Christmas. I've been wanting to make little girls' dresses. They had so many patterns. I was grabbing them left and right. I was grabbing fabric. I found fabric. My sister knew where they had fabric in the store. She's pushing around her contraption and showing me, oh, I saw fabric over there and I know there's fabric over here. So it was super fun. Me and a friend had just been talking about making granny squares and doing something with granny squares. And you know, I found a book on granny squares. 99 ways to how to make granny squares. It was crochet. I mean, everything was just like jumping out at me. I've been wanting to make princess dresses. I found princess fabric. Just every single thing that's been on my mind. I was really interested in what I wanted to use for borders on Christmas quilts because I'm going to be making Christmas quilts on here with panels. Well, wouldn't you know, I found books for the Christmas quilts. It was a variety of Christmas quilts. It's funny how things just happen like that. Then I've been thinking, oh, I want to do all of this raw edge applique. Oh, nope, I find all these patterns on raw edge applique. Well, if you guys know me and if you've been following me, you know I don't do much with patterns, but I've been wanting to. Wouldn't you know, I have just got patterns galore. When I was at my sister's house, on her porch, she has all of these little sayings hanging up, and it's just so sweet. It looks really, really nice. And so I just had left there, and I even took some pictures of hers, and I'm like, oh, I love how that looks. I'm getting a new porch on my house. I've always had an outside deck. Now we're putting up a porch. When you know, Goodwill, I find a saying, perfect saying for me. So that was really fun too. It's just like every single thing I was looking for. It's just like everything was just jumping out at me. I love when that happens. Let me show you what I got. So this was the first thing I came across. Now this is perfect for my sewing room or it's perfect for my new porch. I'm not sure which, but because I was thinking about it at my sister's and she has all these cute sayings, wouldn't you know, this just popped up. That was $4. Then I found these two little things. These were $10 a piece. They were regular $19.99, whatever store they came from. I just love the colors. I love yellow stripes. I love everything stripes, and they're great for bindings. So those were $10 each. I thought the fabric was a little bit high, but at that time I really didn't mind because I just thought they just jumped out at me and I thought they were really cute. So this little novelty fabric was $10 as well. I don't know why I thought that it was $2, but this was $10. It was 2 yards and it was regular $19.99 wherever they had bought it. But I thought it was adorable. I have a lot of granddaughters and I've been wanting to make dresses. I found these for $2 a piece and they're brand new in the package. I just couldn't even believe it. I don't quilt with patterns and I don't make clothes, but I'm really, really ready to learn, and I've got hopefully somebody that's going to show me what to do. But I think I can do these real basic ones, and that's exactly what I've been looking for. Again, these were all $2 a piece. But I got these patterns. These go onto towels. Just look how adorable. It's raw edge applique. I'm so excited for this. But now I have this pattern and this is just going to be great. What I would do is I would just like print the directions off in the past. That little fabric was $6. It's Pioneer Woman. I don't know if that was a good deal, but it was really pretty and I liked it. This red one, which I really did love, was $5. It was, I think it's $4.97 at Walmart, but so I didn't get a good deal on that one, but that's okay. This fabric was $2. It feels like it's about 1.5 yards. I haven't measured it yet, but I thought that was a really great deal. I was so excited for this quilt book with panels, and I thought this is going to be a really fun thing to have the patterns and make some quilt blocks to go around it. And that was the back of the book, and that was $3. My goodness, I thought I had said it was $2, but it was $3. Me and a friend were just talking about granny squares, and I want to do a project with granny squares sometime. And there's a book with 99 granny squares to crochet. I just love this so much, you guys. Okay, that book was $2. I was right on one of them. I got this pretty pillow cover for $2. It has a zipper on the side, and that's the back, and I thought that would look so cute on my brown couch over there. I also got this pillow cover for $2, and it's the same as the other one was on the back. And it has the zipper. I got this little sign. It says gather. I thought that was adorable. That was $2. I got this little saying, and oh my goodness, I couldn't even believe it. $2. I'm gonna learn how to make princess dresses, and that's been my plan for some time. And wouldn't you know, I found these 2 curtains, and one was $5, the pink one was $5, the yellow one was $10. I just couldn't even resist. They were so pretty. I just love my haul, you guys. Me, my sister, and my daughter had so much fun shopping. We get to the checkout, and my sister says she was paying for everything. So she bought me all of this stuff. I tried to refuse, and she would not take no for an answer. But my sister is just like that, and she's as sweet as can be, and she said, you learn to accept that. So I had to say thank you, and I was so happy and so thrilled, and I just absolutely love every single thing I got. And my sister did get a discount, so it all worked out wonderful. I'll definitely say that that was my favorite haul I've been on because it was all sewing related. Okay, that's it for today. Starting to warm up in here, and I'm gonna get my jacket off and I'm gonna get to work. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready.